Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technology Gyan. In this video I am going to tell you how you can monitor internet speed on your computer or laptop. In this video, I am going to tell you what software you will need to monitor internet speed and how to install the software. So friends, let's start the video. The first thing you have to do is download the software. In the description of my video there you will find the link of the software. You have to copy the link. After copying, open any browser on your computer. After this, you have to paste the copied link in the address bar of the browser. After this, the page that will open in front of you, which you can see here, is written as build related links. Here you have to click here in the first line. After clicking, the page that will open in front of you, you will see many versions of the Traffic Monitor, from which you have to download the version of Traffic Monitor according to the Windows bit of your computer. The software that is downloaded is in zip file. To install it, we have to extract it. To perform a stunt, right-click on the file and extract it with the help of. After extracting, from the folder that will be created, cut the folder of Traffic Monitor and paste it on your computer in C drive. After this you have to open the Traffic Monitor folder and right-click on the Traffic Monitor application and run it as administrator. After running, its main menu will be shown on your desktop, which you have to direct and put on the side and right-click on it and click on Windows. And then after right-clicking for the second time, so MAN has to click on Windows, which will close the main window and only you will see the speed monitor, and then to configure it you have to right-click on the speed monitor and then click on the option to do. After this, a window like this will appear in front of you, in which you have to go to General Settings and then after going to Application Settings, here you will see Check for Update Startup. You have to do this. After this, click on Auto Run Windows Start and Apply and OK. Apart from this, if you want to display the CPU usage and memory usage as well, then for this you have to click on the display setting and click on CPU usage and memory usage and then click OK. Apart from this, if you are facing any problem in running speed monitor, then for this you should install the latest version of Visual C++ redistributable package in your PC. After this you will not face any problem. You have to click on this link to download the Visual C++ redistributable package. Download and install the Visual C++ redistributable package depending on the bit of Windows on your computer. Even after this, if you face any problem, then you can ask me by commenting in the comment box of my video. I will reply to your comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you will get notifications of my upcoming new videos as soon as possible.